What would be some examples that you could share that you've asked some of your clients to do?
Simple things. Like I have a young gal that was dealing with anxiety. She has lots of turmoil in her family, and she feels pretty anxious. And at 16, she feels like she's the responsible adult. She takes care of her mom. She takes care of her younger siblings. So she had a lot of pressure on herself and felt like she was the one that had to be responsible to make sure everything worked. And so my activity with her was I gave her a bag of marshmallows and I had her write on them with a magic marker all of the things that she has going on in her life. And she had like 22, 23 of these fat marshmallows, and I gave her a styrofoam cup. On the outside of it we wrote, all the different areas that she operates in. Her life as a child, her life as a student, her life as a sister, and we wrote those things on the outside of the cup. And then her job was to stuff these marshmallows in the cup. And as she stuffed them in there, of course, after 8 or 10, the cup was already full, and eventually when she got them all in there, the bottom of the cup blew out. And so then we got to talk about how this is like what happens to her. She's so busy stuffing things into her life that she feels anxious and she's overwhelmed, and then she blows up at people and feels miserable. And we made a lot of comparisons towards this blown out cup and the things that happened to her in life. And she was able to kind of talk about it and laugh about some of these things. As a marshmallow rolled across the floor with some guy's name on it that she really liked, and she made some comment about, well, yeah, he's getting away from me because of this. And it was just a real fun session.